recording with
Okay.
uh,
Okay. All right.
do you have last session's recording means on the Saturday session recording? Do you have the recording or the video link?
Yeah. Yeah. In the YouTube, you have the channel, right? In the everything you got there.
Yeah, exactly. Okay, I will update once I have the video is ready. I will update as soon as possible on that particular channel.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
All right. All right.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So about the function, we are discussing about the functions. Can you see the screen properly also?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So once again, let me open our file. No, not this one. Okay. Functions. Yeah, we have discussed about some points about the functions also means
Mm-hmm.
argument. We have two type of function with the argument or without the argument. With the argument, we can have multiple arguments also, one or more than one argument. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and we can have a default value also. Why we assign default value? You have remember in the C++, why we assign
Mm-hmm.
default value into the argument? Do you know about
If
that?
no one passes the parameter, then it takes that value.
Yeah, it takes that value exactly. Means if you just set the default value as a blank, then you can call that particular function without argument also.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Otherwise, if you didn't set
Mm-hmm.
any default value, then it will generate the error. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Did you get the point?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Now, where we are. Okay. So with argument, without argument, we can have multiple arguments also. If we have argument,
Mm-hmm.
then while we are calling the function, we have to pass the value if there is no default values. Okay. Default
Mm-hmm.
argument value. These are the default argument value. The example, the
Mm-hmm.
same example. If you didn't pass
Mm-hmm.
any value, then it will use the default value, and it will not generate any error. Okay.
Okay.
Next, returning the value means here what we have used just echoing or just calculating something within this
Mm-hmm.
block of the function, but
Mm-hmm.
you can return the value also. Okay, let me show you. If you have the return value, then you can catch that particular value or assign it to any other thing. Okay, any other variable
Mm-hmm.
you can assign if you return like here. What you are doing,
Mm-hmm.
what they are doing, they are just adding or they are just performing addition on two numbers or to whatever they are passing, either the string or number, and returning the addition of that particular string or number. Okay, so whenever you
Okay.
whenever you call like this, if you call this, then you can catch that particular value and you can assign it into any variable or you can directly print it. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
did you get the point? Means you can
Yeah.
set the
Uh-huh. Yeah. And return the Z means that is the addition value.
and one more thing. Do you know about the continue and the break keyword?
Yeah. Means one second. Sorry.
Yeah, no issues. Means why
Just
we
got a fever.
you have a fever?
Yeah.
Okay, okay, don't worry, we don't take any long
Mm-hmm.
session. Okay,
Thank you.
okay. Why we use
Sorry.
continue and break? Do you have any idea about that?
Mm-hmm. Means if you want to break somewhere our means block of code, then we use break and continue to means start again. Means I never used that before, but I think so it might be for that.
Okay, let,
Mm-hmm.
let's see the example. This loop
Okay.
will 0 to 9, 9 means 10 times. It will
Mm-hmm.
execute 10 times. So let me show you.
Mm-hmm.
Let me use the break via tag of HTML, just HTML for formatting, nothing else. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sorry. So it will just, our loop will execute 10 times. But
Uh-huh.
if you set any condition, means like if I equals to dollar I equals to
Mm-hmm.
3, then if you use here
Mm-hmm.
continue,
Okay.
then let's see what happens. Right
Mm-hmm.
now, what is the output? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 till 9. Okay. Now,
Yeah.
if I refresh again, do you see the changes? Now 3 is not there.
Yeah.
Why 3 is not there? After 2, it just print 4. Because of that continue keyword. Means we have set one condition. Means when the iteration, when the on the
Mm-hmm.
fourth iteration, when I equals to 3, then this condition is true or not?
Okay.
This condition is so,
Continue.
so this block of code within the if will execute. What we have right continue, just the continue. So
Mm-hmm.
continue keyword what just skip rest of the code, rest of the iteration of code, means it will not
Mm-hmm.
going to here, it will not execute next line of code, it will continue to that next iteration, next.
Okay.
Okay, so that's why
Okay.
not
Got it.
anything. Okay, but if you use break in place of continue, then
Mm-hmm.
there is only,
Okay. So it will break from over there.
yeah, it will just stop or break the whole loop. It will not bypass that particular iteration.
Okay.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
this is the,
Okay. Got it.
we will use break and continue if you are in core development or framework development. Break and continue so many times in so many places. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
now let's move ahead.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, this is function.
So they, means right now the guys are doing RESTful APIs and what is all that means? I don't know.
What?
Means I have a question. RESTful Soul SOUL.
Well, yeah, REST and SOAP APIs. These are the two. REST, oh, sorry.
Mm-hmm.
So, are you talking about that?
Yeah. Uh-huh.
Actually, these are the API type of APIs. What is the API? First thing is that
Mm-hmm.
let's say you have a database.
I
And
know I am going out of topic, right?
no, no, no issue, no issue. You have any
Okay.
question? I should clear your doubt. Let's say you have
Okay.
a database, okay? Within the database,
Mm-hmm.
you have the property information for rent, for
Okay.
sale in your city, okay?
Mm-hmm.
So now you just want to provide these information to other persons also,
Mm-hmm.
okay? Means any other user, you just
Okay.
any other user can use your database online.
Okay.
So you are not going to create any website. You just create a API.
Create a API, yeah.
Yeah, with the help of the API, other users can access your database and fetch the data.
Mhm. Like Google Maps and all that stuff,
Yeah,
right?
Yeah, exactly. And that maps and the Google provide the APIs for using the maps and Google Maps and other
Mm-hmm.
geolocation, different things.
Oh,
Whatever the
oh,
functionality they are providing. Okay.
okay.
So,
Mm-hmm.
so these APIs can be built in two formats: REST and the SOAP. There's lots of this lot of things within the REST and within the SOAP.
Uh-huh.
But if we get the time, then we will discuss definitely about what the difference between REST and SOAP and how we use them.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay. Uh-huh.
is that clear? The main definition of.
Yeah. Uh-huh. So they both are one type of mm-hmm.
Okay,
So
uh,
both are means API applications
yeah, both
means
are the
we can
API.
program our APIs inside.
Yeah, right, exactly. For
Mm-hmm.
you can give
Okay.
example of a mobile application also. In the mobile
Mm-hmm.
application, there is no database.
Mm-hmm.
Means the data has been fetched from the API and displayed to a application, either iOS application or Android application. So
Oh,
they have
okay.
also used APIs, web service,
Mm-hmm.
web services, is
Okay.
the version of API. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now let's move ahead.
All right.
Arrays. We already discussed about the arrays.
Yeah.
Dissimilar type of data, collection of dissimilar type of data. Why it is dissimilar?
Mm-hmm.
Why it is dissimilar?
Means similar type of it because it shares the same data type. That's why.
No, no, no. In the we already discussed about that. Means in the C, C++, or Java, what's the definition of arrays? The collection of similar data type. But in the PHP,
Uh-huh.
in the PHP,
Similar type of data. Yeah.
but in the PHP, the definition of arrays is collection of dissimilar data type.
Oh, okay.
Means
Mm-hmm.
we can assign any type of variable, any type of value into
Uh-huh. Yeah,
string.
yeah, yeah. In one
Yeah,
array.
string also we can assign here. We can assign
Yeah.
integer, float value.
Volvo 1, Toyota 2, BMW 3, something like that, right?
Right, right, right. No, no, no. Actually,
Okay.
Volvo and second you can assign only two. Just if you want to assign
Uh-huh.
here only two, you can do that. Just the integer value. Okay, as per your requirement.
Uh-huh.
Your requirement.
Yeah.
Okay. Next, what is the array is a specific variable which can hold more than one value at a time. Okay, if you get this item, create an array.
Mm-hmm.
This is the keyword how we create the arrays. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Multi-dimensional array, index array, and associative array. Okay.
Okay. Index or associative or multidimensional. This is the keyword
Uh-huh.
how we create an array. Okay.
Okay.
If you don't use the default value, then it will be a blank array. The means
Okay.
dollar $car will be a blank array. Okay. But
Mm-hmm.
we are assigning or we are initializing with the value of dollar $car.
Mm-hmm.
Simple array concept. Did I show you the for each loop with the arrays?
Yeah, uh-huh. You showed me.
Okay.
Mhm.
And
Everything is from the array.
everything. Yep. Array length, dollar count, cars. What is the count? One inbuilt function um, of arrays.
For counting the value, right?
You're right. It will just count how many values within that array. Array.length also is there, but we can use the count also. Associative array which have key and the value combination. Index array which have only values, not key. Okay. Did you get this point? We already discussed about this. Hello, Pranay? यार इंटरनेट बीच में ऐसा होता है जब मैं कॉल लेता हूँ. Pranay is gone. ये सब आशीष तू करता है ना, जब भी मैं कॉल लेता हूँ तो इंटरनेट बंद कर देता है। इंटरनेट बंद हो गया, बीच कॉल में बंद हो गया। इसका अलग इंटरनेट चलते रहता है, पता नहीं। लोकल है क्या? फिर ठीक है, पहले ठीक है। यप। ऐसे ऐसे 10 कर देना यूजेज के लिए ना, 10 तब भी से एक्चुअली लगने के लिए चेक यूजर अभी कितने आते हैं, 1000 आते हैं दिन के। 10,000 भी आएंगे तब भी से एक्चुअली बंद नहीं होगा।
Hello?
हेलो।
Oh, okay. What happened?
Actually, again, internet fluctuation. I don't know. In the evening, there's sometimes internet fluctuation are there. I lost my internet.
Oh,
Okay.
oh.
Okay. So let's continue with the associative array.
I thought it was my problem.
Sorry.
I thought it was my problem.
No, 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 not you. Actually, in every whenever I call you, there is a
Mm-hmm.
fluctuation one minimum 2 times.
Okay.
Oh,
Okay. You
so
might be talking something, but I don't hear, and you can hear my voice, something
yeah,
like
yeah,
that.
exactly, exactly.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so about the associative array, there is associative array with
Mm-hmm.
key and value combination.
Mm-hmm.
We already discussed, means there is a key and value, but in the
Yeah.
index array there is only in values. There is no key
Mm-hmm.
defined. Okay,
Yeah.
associative array loop through the associative array. For each loop we have used. That's why there is introduced in PHP for each loop. You didn't find the for each loop
Uh-huh.
on the C, C++. Okay.
No, uh-huh. We don't find that yet.
Multidimensional
It's
array,
only.
we will discuss about the multidimensional array. The same array within the array, nothing else. No extra.
Mm-hmm.
If you just
Like row and column. We have to fetch in row and column. Means we have to use two for each.
no, actually multidimensional array means one second. We have an array age, okay,
Mm-hmm.
but in the first position I am assigning one another array,
Mm-hmm.
sorry, or another array value variable. Again, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Degrade audio quality in your recording, please. Internet informations are there. Okay, so what I have done,
Mm-hmm.
this is our main array, outer array. Within this array
Okay.
we have set one more array value. What we have done,
Okay.
so it is a multi-dimensional array.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, array within the array.
Okay. Okay.
We will discuss in detail about that. Okay,
Uh-huh.
whenever we
All right.
fetch the data from the database,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
it will return a kind of multi-dimensional array. Okay. We will discuss and we will take care about that, how we manage the multi-dimensional array, how we display the data with the multi-dimensional array while we are just learning about the insertion and deletion.
Okay. Sure.
Okay. Oh,
Hello.
Hello?
Hello.
Yeah, yes.
Now I can hear you.
Actually, I was just checking our email. Sorry,
Mhm.
sorry for wait. Now, we are on multidimensional array. We will discuss more about the multidimensional array once we are discussing about database
Uh-huh.
and insertion updation, whatever. Okay.
Okay.
Array sorting.
Sure, sure.
Array sorting. So there's lots of array functions are there. Means array
Mm-hmm.
inbuilt functions. So you can use them and manipulate the array whatever as per your requirement. Whatever be the requirement, you can use them. That functions, sorting functions, counting functions,
Mm-hmm.
and array. There's so many other array manipulation functions. Inbuilt functions.
Okay.
Inbuilt functions means the definition of these functions is in the PHP libraries, and
Okay.
user-defined
So
functions.
we don't have to worry about the logic
Yeah, we
if
don't
we
have
do.
to worry about the logic. And you, what the user-defined function? The function, the simple function with argument, whatever
Mm-hmm.
whatever user-defined means. If you
Mm-hmm.
define a function for your block of code that should be executed in number of time, that is called user-defined function. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so some of the inbuilt functions are the sort array in ascending order. Let me
Mm-hmm.
show you one of them. Yep. So we have an array. Let's use a
Mm-hmm.
numeric array with numeric and indexed array. Okay.
Okay.
Some values we have. Any random values. Right. If you print right now, print and
Mm-hmm.
r is, then it will print the values with the indexes.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so in the first position
Okay.
there
Yeah.
is a 4. Okay, like that.
Yeah.
Now
Uh-huh.
if you use the short function,
All right.
short function just pass the array type of variable, or you can pass whole array also. Now
Mm-hmm.
print underscore r dollar age. Now let's see the difference. In the next array it will just
Mm-hmm.
sort the values in
As per the
ascending.
ascending to descending.
No, no, no. It's short ascending order. One, three,
Okay.
four, five, eight. So short function
Mm-hmm.
just set all the values ascending order. There is
Okay.
more functions are there are short descending order. If you want values your array of values of array in descending order, you should use R short. A short
Mm-hmm.
short associative array in ascending order according to the value. What does it mean?
Okay.
What does it mean? Can you describe?
Associate, means short associative array means according to the value means if there is a we have means given associative array means we have given a numeric value a certain value. They don't care about that. They just go by the value.
Yeah, kind of means if what is the associative array? Key value combination. Okay, there is two
Yeah.
things.
Uh-huh.
always if you heard that word associative
Mm-hmm.
key value combination. So a
Mm-hmm.
short function just set the values in ascending order according
Mm-hmm.
to value, not according to key. Okay.
Okay,
But
yeah.
if you use
That's all.
k short, if you use k short, the short
Then it's going to be according to the key.
according to the keys. So should I show you, or did you get the point?
Yeah, it's alright if you can. So it's alright. I can just do it. If it's more important, then you can skip it.
Yeah. Yeah, it's not like that important, but you should know, you should
Mm-hmm.
differentiate the key and the value. That is the
Okay, yeah.
okay. You should know
Mm-hmm.
about the keys and the values,
Alright.
and that will make a habit. We will just discuss lots of time that particular.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, short associative are in the descending order according to the value. That is the ascending
Mm-hmm.
order. This is the uh, reverse of A short, AR short. Okay. It is
Okay.
the descending order according to value, and
Mm-hmm.
according to T is the KR short. Okay.
Okay.
They just use here.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see if we have string value, then it will short according to first letter. Okay, no, it will short values according to first letter B, T,
Mm-hmm.
B. Okay,
Okay.
short in ascending order. Okay,
Okay.
same thing happen in short in descending order. R short. Same example.
Mm-hmm.
Arrays. R short.
Okay.
Same thing. This is
Uh-huh. According to the value.
AR short.
Then
Okay.
so first
Sorry,
comes.
A short. A short means according to value. So
Uh-huh.
35, 72, same. Result will be the same.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright. Mm-hmm.
Sorry. And ascending order according to
According to the key.
according to key, then this will be the first value, then the second
Mm-hmm.
value, and this will be the third value.
Or value. Okay.
Okay. BJ.
And Joe and Peter. Yeah.
Okay.
We go as per the ABCD.
Yeah, as per the ABCD.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
The same examples, just try to
Definite.
just simple examples are there, and there's some
Okay.
more things are there, like these two more.
Mm-hmm.
Let me show you.
All right.
We have one array. Okay. Within this
Mm-hmm.
array, we have two values, two
Okay.
string type values. Okay. There is
All right.
one function
Mm-hmm.
implode. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Implode function.
Okay. Load.
We have to pass two arguments. It is also a inbuilt function. Okay. This is
Okay.
inbuilt function. So we have to pass two values.
Mm-hmm.
I will show you. I will describe it. Okay. Let's see the result first. Then it will be easy to describe.
Okay.
What I have done, I have passed. One second.
Mm-hmm. The comma and dollar age means.
Yeah. Let's continue. So
Mm-hmm.
what I have done, I have passed uh, one just a comma. Okay. And
Okay.
one array type variable. and whatever
Okay.
the return, it will return something, a return result. It will return, this function will return result. Okay, the implode function.
Okay.
What,
Mm-hmm.
what I'm doing, I'm just assigning that result into one variable, any variable.
Okay. All
Now
right.
I'm printing that particular variable. Let's
Mm-hmm.
see the result.
Okay.
Now it's not a, why? Where?
Hello world.
Because there is no indexing. There is no
Mm-hmm.
indexing. Na? This is a simple
Yeah.
string, not an array. So
Mm-hmm.
what the include function? What is the functionality of include function? It's just to combine our array values into one
Mm-hmm.
string with one
Okay.
glue or your delimiters into a string.
Okay. All right.
And this, whatever you have used here, it will just come
Uh-huh.
in middle of that particular
In
string.
between.
In
Yeah.
between.
Uh-huh.
If you use just space, then space will be
Mm-hmm.
there.
Okay.
If you,
Yeah.
if you just use any backslash or anything else, then
Uh-huh.
it will print that.
All right.
Okay, but it will return a string, combined string
All right.
from an array.
Mhm.
Okay,
And it will give at the end every end of the array, right? Array value.
array value, end of the array value, whatever the value we
Okay.
have.
Okay. Uh-huh.
Okay,
Uh-huh.
in the means, in the between the third and second value, again
Mm-hmm.
there is a glue or the delimiter. Okay,
Okay. Mm-hmm.
now, so implode, combine the array. So there is a reverse function of this also, explode.
Okay.
Okay,
There is one
yeah,
implode and explode.
yeah. So actually we have used so many times the explode and implode in the core and the framework.
Mm-hmm.
In the CMS also we have used so many times, because
Oh, okay.
sometimes we have to save the values in the database in the JSON format,
Mm-hmm.
comma separated, this kind of.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
So
CSV and.
yeah, in the CSV format, or it means comma separated values. Generally we
Mm-hmm.
save the values comma separated. So if you want to
Mm-hmm.
manipulate them, then we have to
Uh-huh.
explode them. And while we are saving in
Mm-hmm.
the database, we have to implode them.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So
Mm-hmm.
now, what I want, I just want to get this array back. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So what will be the code here within the delimiter? I have passed the same thing. Why? Because
Okay.
these values are combined with backslash. Okay,
Okay.
and the string. So we have a string type variable, the same variable I just passed here, and it will also return the
Okay.
result. I'm just receiving that result into another variable. Now
Okay.
the print underscore r on the pb.
Mm-hmm.
Now this is the result of our first print, and this is the result of our second
Okay.
print. But in the second print it is an array, but in the first the simple string combined with backslash.
Okay.
Okay, this is array. We get our back that particular array.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so implode and explode.
With the associated value, right?
No, 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 not associative value. These are index values, because
Okay.
there is the indexing
Oh, okay. Index, yeah, yeah. 0, 1, 2.
3 or 0, 1, 2. Okay,
Okay, yeah. Mm-hmm.
okay, got your point.
All right. Yeah.
Okay, let's.
So I think so I have to write it down this time.
Yeah, you can do that. I can be no issue. Just write it down. Implode and explode. These are important. Again, super global. Now let's see what super global. Global super request post get.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So they are variables.
Yeah, there's some super global. These are also predefined variables in the
Mm-hmm.
in the PHP. We just
Okay.
use them. Let me see. Underscore server request. Yeah, I can get post. Okay, so PHP also provides some super global variables, predefined super global variables for
Mm-hmm.
manipulating our requirements or manipulating or achieve our requirements. So these
Mm-hmm.
are dollar globals are there, dollar server. Dollar global just define the particular variable. It is used to define a particular variable as a global and use them within our PHP script. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and the dollar underscore server, it is used to manipulate our URL or server related things, server related things. We have used dollar underscore server. Dollar underscore request,
Okay.
we whenever we submit any form,
Okay.
you have a login form. Okay, so
Okay.
after submitting the form, it is used to get the values, whatever the submit is from the input,
Mm-hmm.
from the text box.
So means to insert into the database, right?
Yeah, for inserting the database or for checking from the database.
Okay.
Okay.
All
And
right.
dollar underscore post do the same thing, but in the
Uh-huh.
form tag, if we use post method, then we use dollar underscore post. If we use dollar get method, then we use. I will describe post and get. There's two methods, post and get.
Okay.
Okay, with the,
Mm-hmm.
either we can use get or either we can use post. So
Mm-hmm.
we have to use dollar underscore post or dollar underscore get according to them. But dollar underscore request can receive any kind means from the both type of method we use. Okay, whatever we submitted. I will describe them. Okay, no issue.
Okay.
Dollar
Mm-hmm.
underscore file, if it will handle the file uploading things. Means if you want to upload any file, any image into the server,
Okay.
you have
It's
to
a
use
file
after,
management
yeah, exactly.
variable.
After submitting the form, we should manage with the dollar underscore file variable. Okay, can be just for environment variable. Let me see about the
Mm-hmm.
env. I have some confusion regarding that. Get post env is not there right now. Chapter will explain the super global and rest will be explained later chapter. env just environment variable. Actually, I will tell you about this. Actually, I have some confusion regarding env. Okay.
Okay.
Dollar underscore cookies session also we discussed in detail. But cookies, did you hear that word cookies in sessions?
Yeah. Uh-huh.
Uh,
Means it stores your data according to the session, you know.
yeah, actually, what is the web? Web pages and other web things. These are the stateless. Means the information
Mm-hmm.
will not be stored after refreshing the page or reloading or going to the next page. It will not store
Okay.
previous value. So for managing that, we have so many
Mm-hmm.
state management techniques. One of them are
Mm-hmm.
cookie and the session. State management technique,
Okay.
it will store the previous value and we
Okay.
can use them. So cookie store the value in on the client side. The difference between cookie and session. Cookie will store the value in the client side, but session will
Mm-hmm.
store the values in the server side. Okay.
Okay.
So if we are storing the values on the client side, so if it is not secure, so we didn't store the values. We didn't store them. Any you can
But now there should be a encryption and decryption of cookie also, right?
encryption, decryption. Yeah, we can do the encryption, decryption according to whatever framework or whatever CMS you are
Okay.
using.
Uh-huh.
They provide the different methods of
Mm-hmm.
decryption.
Because certain banks over here they use cookies and all that stuff. So I
Yeah.
don't know.
Yeah, exactly. Cookie just to store the user information on the client side, on the browser side. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Client side information, some other location information, and username, and password for the client. If they store. Remember me. Did you see the remember me checkbox? Remember, there's the remember me
Yeah,
checkbox.
remember me.
Yeah, that functionality is based on cookies, and that information will be saved on the browser. Whenever you again
Okay.
come to that particular login page, it will automatically fill up the text boxes with your username and the password.
Okay.
Okay, so that will happen with the help of cookies. Okay,
Okay.
we will see the how we use, how we set the cookie, how we destroy the cookie, all the things we will see. Okay,
Okay.
in the session.
Uh-huh.
In the session,
Login details.
yeah, login details means you are
Mm-hmm.
authorized person or not.
Mm-hmm.
Login,
Until I don't press the logout button,
yeah,
means I have to start that session.
yeah, exactly. Means throughout the website we can access that particular session variable, so it
Mm-hmm.
can be usable for the any particular user logged in.
Every
It can be
uh-huh.
checked.
If we are getting a specific service, then we need a means login ID and password to use that. So
Yeah,
ID has our login ID details.
yeah. General basic things are whenever you log in, then it will create a session, and whenever you log
Mm-hmm.
out, then it will destroy that particular session. And we set mainly our
Mm-hmm.
in restrict page that we first check is it that particular user is logged in or not. Then only we can give them access. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So let's see the global.
Mm-hmm.
What are the globals? Just use that
Mm-hmm.
particular global keyword.
Okay.
So within the function, I think you already know about the scope of the variable in the C and C++.
Yeah.
Means within the function,
Mm-hmm.
if we declare an variable, then the scope of that particular variable is in the function only.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And but if you declare an variable outside the function, that variable can be accessed throughout the program or throughout the script. Okay.
Okay. Uh-huh.
But in the PHP,
So,
we have to just point that particular variable with the help of the keyword globals. Means in this function,
global and the square bracket.
yeah, we are going to use z, but which z variable? We are just declaring a z. We are assigning a z variable. Whatever the result, it will assign to a z variable, and that will be global. Okay, not for only this function. That's why we have used global keyword. And
Okay.
x and y also we have used global. That's why we are using global. Means the values of these x and y we are using within this function. Just a simple thing. If you want to use
Mm-hmm.
a global variable within any function, then
Mm-hmm.
you should use the global keyword. Nothing else.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. All right.
And dollar underscore server, PHP self, server name, host, and
Mm-hmm. So
there's,
it will show the what stuff you are using.
yeah, exactly. Means
Mm-hmm.
for
Okay.
PHP self, it will return the current file name in which
Okay.
file you are right now. PHP underscore self,
Okay.
underscore server, PHP underscore
Mm-hmm.
self, it will return current file name. Okay. And
Okay.
server name, it will return your domain name. Right now, if we are in localhost, it will return the localhost server name. HTTP
Mm-hmm.
host also, it will return your domain name on localhost. Okay. HTTP reference, it will return your whole URL where you are right
Mm-hmm.
now. Whole URL. Okay.
HTTP refer.
User agent, return the browser information, which browser you are using, what
Mm-hmm.
what the version of that particular browser. Okay. And the script name also same the same we the PHP cell. Okay,
Oh,
it will return your file name.
all
Sometimes
right.
sometimes we use them. Okay,
Uh-huh.
sometimes PHP self we use in the form tag. I will show you. And other thing, if you
Mm-hmm.
want to manipulate your URL in the PHP
Mm-hmm.
script or in the JavaScript, then we will use then we will use
Mm-hmm.
these things. Okay,
Okay.
okay.
All right.
The
Have
normal
to write
thing,
it down this stuff.
yeah. This normal thing generally you don't use because
Mm-hmm.
after you are going to use a Drupal, then there's all these things will be inbuilt. You don't have to use
Mm-hmm.
them again. Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Hey, Govind, I want to ask that how is means Magento? Means it's also good or the
Magento is also one CMS, but it generally in Magento, shopping website will be good.
oh okay, okay. All
And
right.
but in the Drupal, there is
Mm-hmm.
no means no specific field means not only shopping website. We can
Oh,
government
we can
website,
create anything.
yeah, we can create anything. Content websites are there also. Different
Okay.
that we can develop and more
Mm-hmm.
secure than Magento also.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And Code Igniter and Cake PHP.
Yeah, these are the frameworks. Code Igniter, PHP, and
Uh-huh.
Laravel. These are the framework of our PHP. Um,
Uh-huh.
if you want more security than CMS, then client just go with the framework. Okay,
Oh, okay. Mm-hmm.
but
All right. And Drupal is CMS, right?
yeah, right.
It's not a framework.
Not a framework. We will get a
Okay.
back end and a front end. We can develop from the
Mm-hmm.
admin panel of our website more easily and more speed with the more speed also.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Dollar underscore request. I will tell about the dollar underscore request after dollar underscore cat and the post. Okay.
Okay.
First, let's see dollar underscore cat.
Mm-hmm.
What is that? Okay. Let's see. We have one form.
Mm-hmm. Method is equal to post. Action is equal to dash PHP where we have to go.
Yeah, where we have to go, but if PHP self, then it will reload in the same page, in the same script.
Okay.
We don't have to
Mm-hmm.
write any other PHP file. Okay,
Okay.
and there one only one text box. Let me show you here. Okay, we have an HTML tag, body tag, then within the body
Mm-hmm.
tag, form tag, and some PHP code. Just forget about it right
Okay.
now. I will describe them.
Mm-hmm.
So in the method, this is the form tag and these are called attribute of the form tag. Okay,
Okay. Mm-hmm.
method name, action, or there's ID, ID also attribute
Mm-hmm.
ID class name or name of that particular form tag. These are the attribute of form tag. So this is method. It will describe which method you are going to use. Right now, I'm just using get method. Okay.
Okay.
And PHP self, this is how we use, yeah, one more thing here. How we use the PHP code within the HTML code. Just start,
Means
the,
okay.
what we have done here? We have done, sorry?
No, no. You can continue.
Yeah, yeah. In what we have done within the action tag, within these double quotes,
Mm-hmm.
we have just write a PHP code. So we have to open and close the PHP tag. Within the code, PHP tag, we just echo one inbuilt function. Okay, dollar underscore server
Server. Uh-huh.
and PHP cell. This is the argument of that particular
Mm-hmm.
super global variable. Sorry, not a function. Okay, so it will just reload. It will not redirect to any other page. It will reload or it will submit to the same page. Okay, if you use here
Okay.
any demo PHP, then it will redirect to
Mm-hmm.
demo.php,
To demo.php.
and
Uh-huh.
we will get the values in the demo. I will show you after this.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright.
Or should I? One second. Okay. First, let's see. This is more easy.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
The demo.php. Let me create one file. So as yeah. One second, Pranay. I'm just coming back.
Okay.
Hello. Hello.
Hello, go ahead.
Yeah, Pranay, let's do one thing. I think that's enough for today. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
we will start the form and from the tomorrow onwards. Okay, form and get
Okay.
post and request whatever, what the method, how we
Okay.
send the data, how we submit the form, these things. Okay,
Okay.
so just revise the things whatever I have we have
Mm-hmm.
discussed. today, and I will
All right.
send the video also